In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Workspace for Productivity 2026, step by step. Let's start in Gmail. Create a simple set of labels so messages land where they belong at a glance. Think clients, finance, content, or urgent. Pair those labels with filters to auto-sort new emails by sender, subject, or keywords so your inbox triages itself. Start anything that needs attention today and save time with templates for replies you send over and over. Instead of deleting, archive messages so they stay searchable without clutter. For smoother handling, turn on Undo Send in Settings so you can pull back an email for a few seconds after sending, and enable keyboard shortcuts to speed through archive, reply, and label actions. Next, move to Google Calendar and time block your day. Create separate calendars for work, personal, and content, and color code them so your week is easy to scan. Add recurring tasks for routines you want to protect. Set reminders. Try 10 minutes for quick context switches and 1 hour for prep, and use focus time to shield deep work by auto-declining conflicting invites. Time blocking beats a long to-do list by giving every task a home on your schedule. In Google Drive, build a clear folder structure. Clients, marketing, admin, and finance are a solid start. Use consistent file names, date, project, and version so files sort logically and are easy to find. Share folders rather than individual files to keep access tidy, and set the right permission level for each collaborator, viewer, commenter, or editor. If you work with a team, shared drives keep ownership centralized and reduce link chaos. For documents, Google Docs is your collaboration hub. Start from templates for proposals, reports, and SOPs to save setup time. Draft in suggesting mode and exchange feedback with comments so edits stay transparent. Add headings to create an automatic outline for fast navigation, and insert checklists to track progress in the doc. This setup works perfectly for SOP creation, blog writing, contracts, and meeting notes. In Google Sheets, build trackers for content, expenses, and leads. Use basic formulas like sum, if, and count to turn raw data into quick insights. Add filters to slice lists